Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. We are deep into football season, so you should be deep in your appetizer and party food preparation. Today we're going to help you out. We're going to do a pretty easy one. This is really a great one to do if your smoker is already going, and mine is today. I'm making some bacon ribs. So let's get rid of the long leg of this first. That is making the cheesy chili dip. So first of all, I've got a cast iron skillet. In that cast iron skillet is going to go a layer of cream cheese. I've got two 8-ounce woks that are already at room temperature. We're going to press that into the pan sort of like a crust. This is best done with your hands. Even better if you have gloves on your hands. I don't know where else you put gloves, but you know, you do you. Go up the sides a little bit. It doesn't have to be all the way to the top, especially if you have a large lipped pan like I do here, or skillet. You do want to definitely cover the entire bottom. All right, messy part's done. I can doff the gloves. There is no magic temperature to make this at. That's sort of the beauty of it. None of this stuff really has to be cooked. All we need to do is get it all heated well and the cheese melted. So right now, cooking those ribs, my smoker's at 275, and that's gonna be fine. If it was at 350, that would be fine also. You just gotta let it, you gotta adjust your time a little bit. As soon as it looks good and the cheese is melted, then it's time to pull it. You do wanna give it long enough to get some smoke flavor, so 500 would be a little silly.
Silly.
Very silly. Okay, so we got that layer down of the cream cheese. Now I'm going to put down a layer of cheddar. Now, you could do a bunch of different things here. You could use Velveeta. You could use nacho cheese. The canned stuff from Rico's is absolutely amazing. Not a crazy layer of cheese, just a layer. All right, then you go in with your chili. Again, choices. You can use homemade chili. Cincinnati style chili would be good in this. I just love this Hormel no beans chili. I know it's cheap stuff, but I love the taste of it. So I'm gonna go in with 3 cans of that. These are 3 15-ounce cans. Okay, if you're watching closely, one snuck by me, one says with beans.
Oh no! We suck again!
Okay, so I got some beans in it. I didn't want beans in it, but that's fine. It's not like I don't like beans. The other 2 cans are no beans. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not everything goes perfect at the Galley of the Sun.
Obviously.
You know, actually scratch that. I am good with 2 cans of chili. That's gonna be plenty. You got a big crowd, go for 3. I got a lot of other food today, so I think this is gonna be good. Now, again, options. You want to put some fire in it? You can put some fresh diced jalapeños in there. You want extra fire? Keep the seeds in. You want a little less fire? Use pickled jalapeños, like what you get on nachos at a stadium or something like that. Or another great choice is some diced chipotles in adobo. Now I know my crowd today, they don't like real spicy stuff, so I'm going to leave all those out. Now we're going on with the top layer of cheese. And for this one, I highly suggest a good shredded cheddar or cheddar mixture. But you can use Monterey Jack, you can use pepper jack. Our dip's all together. Now we'll do the real easy part, the pigs in a blanket. We'll be back in a second to do that when I put this on the smoker. See you then. All right, so now for the easy part of this. Anybody can make pigs in a blanket, but remember, this is an appetizer or a snack, not a meal. So I got the big ass Costco dogs. I'm gonna cut those into thirds. There we go. The traditional way to do this is with crescent rolls, but these Just Rolls puff pastries that you get, you can get them from Walmart, are absolutely perfect for this. All right, so we'll get our sheet rolled out. And right now I have no idea how many I can get done with one sheet. That's why I have 2 out just in case. We're gonna find out together. All right, now I'm gonna cut this in thirds, just like we did the hot dogs. Now we need just long enough to wrap our wiener.
It sounds dirty, but it's not.
Okay, so right there. Now just put these on a baking sheet. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Now, you need that temperature for the puff pastry. If your smoker happens to be at 350 degrees and you don't want to heat up your house, though for most of you, it's you don't live in the Valley of the Sun and it's not still 95 degrees in late September.
Yeah, man, but it's a dry heat.
Then you can do it on your smoker. But we're going to do ours in the oven because I have so much on my smoker already. You get the gist of it. Wrap them up in the puff pastry, put them on a baking sheet, in the oven 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them. Everybody's oven cooks different. And then we'll be ready for some judgment here in the near future. We'll see you then. Alrighty, so the chili sauce is done, the pigs in a blanket are done. Now it's time for some judgment from Bradley. How you doing, sir?
I'm all right.
All right.
It's been a while.
Hopefully I've let this cool enough where it's not going to melt your face.
Let's see how it goes. Okay.
Oh, yeah, we got to break through the chip. There we go.
Yeah, break through the cheese.
A little bit of steam.
That's hot.
Well, don't hurt yourself just for my YouTube channel.
That's really good. It was actually really, really good.
Alrighty. Hey, there you go. This was a quick, easy, great party snack for the big game, the election, whatever you're celebrating, right? So give this a try. Hey, thank you so much for joining us. Until we see you next time, fair winds of Poland.